6 layers, and a storied past. This might just be Budapest's most famous pastry.
So you are interested in the Dobisch Cake, as I guess?
That's right. And to learn more, there's just one place to go: Budapest. Café Zserbód lies at the heart of the Hungarian capital and has been in business for 160 years.
It is real, so it's not looks like a 100 years old table or a chandelier. It is more than 100 years old.
The Dobisch Cake is not only Anna's favorite.
I have to admit, every week I eat it.
But one of her restaurant's specialties.
Dobisch Cake is the most famous cake in Hungary. The uniqueness of the Dobisch Cake is, of course, the caramel on the top and the really good quality of chocolate. It's important that it has 6 layers.
Surely you can cheat a bit.
No, it's 6. With the top, it's 6.
Okay. So why 6?
You can ask Dobisch József why it's 6.
Actually, asking József Dobosch about the mysteries behind his cake might be tough. The famous confectioner first baked it in 1885 for the Hungarian National Exhibition, and it was groundbreaking at the time.
The use of the caramel and the color of the caramel. Nobody used it before like this way.
His use of buttercream was also a first. And together, these 2 innovations meant that the cake stayed fresh for longer, allowing it to be shipped across the continent. Dobosch carefully guarded his recipe early on, but upon retiring, he shared it with Budapest's most famous cafes. Today, Café Zserbód serves around 25,000 slices of Dobosch each year, but these days, the cake doesn't travel as much as it used to.
We have many emails. Please send a Dobisch Cake, but we always say, I'm sorry, no, please visit Hungary again, visit Budapest again and taste it here in the Café Zserbód.